Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, however you want to say it to celebrate this season, or even if you don't celebrate this season at all. I'm okay with that, because I'm okay with you. And that's what today's show is about. This is the last show before Christmas, and I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you very much and talk a little bit about appreciation and gratitude and friendship and the good things in the world, and I'll try my best not to get too sappy and emotional. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, no guarantees that this is not going to get sappy and emotional, because today I want to talk to you about being grateful and thankful and appreciation. And I want to express that to you out there in the digital world and out there in the real world, and say that I love and appreciate you. Whether or not we've ever met, whether or not we think the same way, whether or not we feel the same feels, you are important, and I appreciate you. And I want to thank everyone who's joining me on this journey here on the internet and here in the world for being part of it. You are important to me. And I think the world would be a better place if we would all just a little more often take a minute to appreciate each other for who we are, who you are, who they are, as individuals, as human beings, regardless of what they can do for you, regardless of what benefit they provide to you. My best friends in the world love and appreciate me for who I am as a human being, and not because of what I provide to them or what benefit they gain from being my friend. And the same goes for them. And I think we would be better off as a species if we thought that way a little more often. And so today I want to say thank you, and I appreciate you as a human being, no matter who you are, where you are, how you feel, what you think. I appreciate you, and you have value. On this happiest of holiday seasons, I want to express my thanks and my gratitude for you as a person, for the world that we have that we need to take better care of, for each other who we need to take better care of, and say thank you for being here as part of what I'm doing here in the shop, here on the channel, and here in my life. I very, very much appreciate it. And I wish you all the best of the season, whatever it is that you celebrate, or even if you celebrate nothing at all. And know that even if you don't think you have anyone, or the people you have don't appreciate you, I do. And everyone like me does. And if you're going through something, I hope that you will make it through the other side stronger than you went in. I have confidence in you to be able to do that. And I sincerely wish you all the best, whoever you are out there, and whatever it is that's happening in your world. I love you, and lots of other people do too, even if they don't know who you are. Okay? That's my message for this week. Thank you, everyone, for being who it is that you are and being on the journey that you're on. and recognize that everyone else is on their own journey as well. And you don't know what that journey is, but it's important too. And let's just think about that a little more often. And I think we'll be better off. Okay? Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. I love you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for the year in review. We're going to look back at the year that was 2025 here in the shop, here in my life, and talk about all the wonderful things that happened, some of the not so wonderful things that happened maybe, and we'll look forward into 2026 with a smile on our face and a spring in our step, and we'll keep on keeping on. All right? Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Okay, so no promises about the lack of sappy emotional today. I want to just kind of take a minute and talk through a couple of things. And once again, express my deep gratitude to all of the people who are joining me here on this journey, here on the channel, here in my life, whether it's in real physical life that we hang out and meet in the meat space, as they say. Do they say that? I don't know. I've heard that. Maybe it's something the kids say. I don't know. Them kids and their things that they say on the TikToks. I don't know. I've never watched the TikToks, so I don't know what they say. Let's go again. Okay, so like I said, no promises about not getting emotional and sappy during this one, because I do want to express my heartfelt and sincere gratitude to all of you out there, both in the digital world and in the real world, for caring, for being here with me on this journey, and I don't know what I'm trying to say at all. I have no plan for this. I want to talk about being thankful and being gracious and being, I want to talk about things that are great, which is togetherness and supporting and not being angry and adversarial and you against us and us against them. Okay. All of the opposite of that is what I want to talk about, because this video is about thanks and about appreciation and gratitude. And I just want to express that to you, my friends out there in the digital world, on the internet, my friends in real life. Some of them are great. Some of them are not. They're not my friends. So why am I talking about them? Okay, so like I said, I make no guarantees about how emotional or sappy I'm going to get in this one. This is an expression. This is my put forwardness about being thankful. This is why professionals write things down and think through what they're going to say before they start.